Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it above 20% and install pending updates so touch drivers behave predictably. Once done, fold or remove the keyboard cover and switch Windows into tablet mode to prioritize touch. Make sure the touch keyboard is enabled in taskbar settings. This gives immediate on-screen typing. Also pair a Surface Pen or Bluetooth mouse now for precision tasks, because tapping and handwriting often speed things up more than tapping alone. Next, configure input so touch feels natural. Open settings and enable the touch keyboard variants you need: full keyboard, handwriting panel, emoji, so you can switch quickly. Turn on dictation, press Win+H for hands-free typing, and refine touch gesture sensitivity under devices to reduce accidental taps. Make sure display scaling matches your workflow. Higher scaling makes touch targets larger and easier to hit. Finally, pair and calibrate your Surface Pen if you plan to write or draw, because precision is often faster than virtual typing. To finish, organize the interface. Pin your most used apps to the taskbar, enable the virtual touchpad when needed, and use Windows Snap to keep apps reachable with taps. Make sure power and sleep settings prevent unexpected lockouts during use. If you rely on handwriting, practice quick gestures and keyboard shortcuts to speed tasks. Troubleshooting tip: if the touch keyboard won't appear, restart Windows Explorer or toggle the touch keyboard and handwriting panel service. That usually restores the keyboard without a full reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.